Switching to US Mobile doesn't mean losing your phone number. Number porting is the process of transferring your existing number from your current carrier to US Mobile. It's your right, protected by the FCC, allowing you to switch providers while keeping the same digits. US Mobile, operating on major US networks, makes this process straightforward. This video will guide you through the port-in checklist to ensure a smooth transition. With improvements in automation and regulatory oversight, porting is now faster and more reliable than ever before, with most transfers completing within a few hours. Your port-in checklist for a successful transfer to US Mobile begins with gathering essential information. First, gather your current carrier's account number, PIN, or password, and billing address. This information is crucial for verifying your identity and authorizing the port. Also, ensure you have your new SIM kit from US Mobile ready. Next, initiate the port by visiting the US Mobile website or app and selecting Port Your Number. Enter all required details accurately. This triggers a verification process, usually involving a call or text to your old number. During verification, respond promptly to any requests from your current carrier. Some may require additional approval steps online or in person. US Mobile handles the back-end communication with the Number Portability Administration Center. Once approved, insert your US Mobile SIM card into your phone and activate it. Test by making a call to confirm the number transfer is complete. Finally, after confirmation, cancel your service with your old carrier to avoid double billing. US Mobile offers a 14-day trial to ensure satisfaction. Avoid porting during peak times like weekends to minimize delays and ensure your old account is active and in good standing.